Hello guys, use my phone Oppo A54. This version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory in the blue color. Okay. Blue completion to the device. In completion we have protected back cover on this, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of plastic, is triple camera, LED, on the front side 6.5-inch display, front camera, right side we have power key, on this side volume keys and slot for 2 non-SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. Display HD resolution, 16 Hz IPS display. Color OS launcher, look version color OS 7.2, 7.2, Android 10. Okay. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Helio P35, octa-core 4+4 cores, GPU PowerVR. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results doesn't have. Okay. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay, and run the main game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas will work on the max graphic level. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.